Hello, in the following tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add a purchase button to each of your portfolio items, the ones you want to sell, and also teach you how to set up payments in WooCommerce, WordPress. So I'm here in this website, Let's say we wanted to sell this piece right here. So we're gonna add an add to cart button somewhere in here. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the shop. I'm going to identify the same image that I want to sell, which is Fearless. It's this one right here. So once in the shop page, you go to the product you want to sell. So it's this one, the Fearless. Now you go to edit product up here. And there are two ways to add a product to each portfolio item. The first one would be getting this number right here, but we don't have one. We still have to set up this right here. You can give it a number like 024 2020 for example, and let's give the variations same number, 2020 and 2020, W for white, B for black. Update. So we can use that number, or a way that I like better is to get the short link right here. When you click this, it'll show you the item ID, which is unique. And in case you have SKUs of the same, it's better to use this one because this one's a unique number. So let's give it OK, but you can use any of them. So once I copy that, I was just updating there. Once I copy that, I go back to visit site. I go to portfolio. Come here, Fearless. We can see that it has a button, but for the wrong product because I believe this one's 25. So I'm gonna go and edit portfolio item. This is the back side. So I've created here what we call a short code. And all we gotta do is we insert shortcode right here, product price cart button. That's the one we want, this one right here, because we want the add to cart button. ID 645 and SKU 012020. Still gonna go with only this one, just to show you that it works. Update. So you can add it to the end of the product, of the description, or to the beginning, wherever you want to place it. Go to view portfolio item, and here we go. Now we have an add to cart button / select options. It's got a select options on it because when you click on it, you're gonna have some options to choose for the matte color. You can either choose black or white, so you need to add those options first before it allows you to add the product to the cart. Once you add it to cart, go to view cart. Right here you have your cart. I can add you can add a cart page right here or right here. Just add it in the menu. Proceed to checkout. Here we can do all the checkout. Right now we don't have a bank system working or any payments working, but I'm gonna teach you that right now. In order for us to do that, what we gotta do is go back to dashboard. Once we're in the dashboard, we're gonna go to WooCommerce settings. Here's where you set up everything on as far as your account and as far as the shop, as far as all that goes. So for example, you can set up colors here, which we're gonna do in a minute. And one of the other things you can do is you can set up payment gateways, which is what we're looking for here. Also, you can fix your emails, shipping, taxes, inventory, pages, catalogs, pretty much everything for your shop is here. And right now you see that direct bank transfers and check payment are both on, as well as PayPal. So let's undo this first. Unless you want to accept checks, you can go ahead and put it back on. So just right here, disable it, save changes. You can also have cash on delivery. It's taking a bit. Just gonna pause it and continue. Oh, I actually just did. Okay, now let's go to banks. In this case, BACS. Direct banks transfer, no bank transfers. And here you put all the information as if you were gonna do a bank transfer. So before you enable it, I suggest you do all that first. In this case, we're gonna do it using PayPal. And all you gotta do is you click on payment gateways, and then you go down here to PayPal. So just enable PayPal, give PayPal your email. Make sure you select an invoice prefix, a submission method. It's good to have it in a form because it will have a better format for it. Page style, in case you want to use a new page style. Shipping details, address override, pretty much everything you can add there. But the most important item is your email. Once you have that on, just save changes, and you'll be able to take payments from now on your shop. They'll redirect to the PayPal account, but everybody's pretty much used to PayPal already, so that shouldn't be any problem. That's the easiest way to set up your PayPal account. Another thing I was going to show you is, for example, I'm going to show you right here. It's a Codeable website. I'm going to show you here something that we can change right from those options we have, and it's this color. You can barely see this green right here. I'm gonna make it this blue. I like that blue, and it goes with the theme, so I'm just gonna look for it. It's right here. Boom. So I get the color. Go back to settings, and where that green goes, I'm just gonna put this blue right here. And now I'm gonna go save changes. And now every link or highlight will be that color. So you can see that now. See, now it's blue. You can put that color whatever you want. Can show you where it also shows up right here, and that's it. Now every link you have will be in blue. All right, if you have any questions, just let me know. Have a good one. Leave me a comment.